As part of Rooted, we're celebrating the gardens. And in part of that, we're looking at reconnecting people with nature and the gardens. Through this, we're offering a bit of a mindfulness weekend. Guests will have the opportunity to enhance all 5 senses. We're looking at your sense of smell, your sense of sight. So in terms of enjoying the visual colors of the garden, in terms of creating essential oils, drumming circles for the auditory. I believe the highlight will be the meditation. Many guests last year came away kind of feeling rejuvenated and feeling really good after the experience. Part of Niagara Park's mandate is to reconnect the public back with nature in the gardens. And it's important to us because this gives the families an opportunity to come out, enjoy nature, see the pollinators, and just really, again, find a bit of peace in the gardens. Being out in the gardens, having a purpose to be out in the gardens is also something the public's going to enjoy.